Hi, I'm Tom from the Reluctant Outdoorsman Plus channel, and this is the final episode, part 9, of a walk from the historical centre of Porto, along the northern bank of the Douro River, to the Atlantic Ocean and up the coast to Matosinhos. We've been walking for over 2 hours, but our destination is now almost in sight and we'll reach it within 15 minutes. Why don't you sit back and come along with my wife Angie and I. I don't think the locals were expecting it to be this warm as well, although the forecast was good, because everybody's out working out. They've got jackets on and all sorts, haven't they? Sorry? Yeah, well, this might not be very hot for them, I suppose, but it's certainly warm enough. I'm fairly sure, although this looks like a sort of seafoody cafe, that we've not arrived yet. To our left is Praia de Matosinhos, and it's at the end of that beach that we're going to officially lower the curtain on this walk. I did record another long walk in Porto, more in the city centre and on both sides of the river. So I think I'll do the same with the footage of that walk. Post it in 15 to 20 minute episodes once a week. Surfing there, look. Actually surfing. There's a tiny little wave. See, they're all out there with the surfboards. No, it's like a 9-inch wave. Mind you. I mean, it wouldn't be big enough even to get up, would it? What's that thing? It looks like a big net. What's it that's for? Catching sardines. They got their feet in. The world's a crazy place, isn't it? Right, well, we're nearly done with our walk, that's for sure.
I'll be happy to sit on the metro going back.
Yeah,
it's
so
not
will
like
I.
me, I would
It's
probably say, oh, we'll walk back.
It's
but my legs are hurting.
Yeah, and we've walked, what?
7 point...
And how long has it taken us? It's taken us 2 or 3 hours.
7.33 miles at the moment.
What time did we set off?
Wow. We're in the cafe about 22:11 maybe.
And it's 2 now, so 3 hours
Yeah.
walking probably. We've been doing some sitting down and supermarketing and eating a pineapple, which looks a bit like a horror movie with us digging our fingers in and chomping on it.
Refreshing.
But more birds enjoying the... Now we need to find what looks like some really good restaurants, because this is where, at the end of here, is this area that is meant to be famous for seafood.
Did you Google it as well?
No. It said on my thing, it said on ChatGPT it was seafood restaurants down the end, and then the map has actually got fish area written on it. And I think the batteries are about to run out, which would be a good time to finish. Yeah, they're sort of in the red danger zone, so when it conks out, that'll be the end of this walk, because we've reached the area we were hoping to walk to. It may last another 30 seconds, it may last another 3 or 4 minutes, but we're there anyway. This McDonald's, famous seafood restaurant McDonald's.
Get a fillet fish.
Yeah, you could, yeah.
You wanted
Sure.
seafood.
Fillet fish and some fries. There you go. So yeah, we'll walk down to this end. That's the end of the video, and we'll find our restaurant for some lunch and a beer.
And a toilet stop.
Okay.
A comfort break.
Yes. I'm alright actually.
I've drunk.
You drank a whole bottle of...
Not a whole bottle, but I've drunk a bit.
Yeah, I had a bit of that, but I sweated most of it out. I think it's been
Yeah.
warm. It's lovely.
Nice bit of a breeze here.
Yeah, it's lovely. The temperature is just gorgeous. It's not like it's so uncomfortably hot. It's just really nice and warm.
The breeze is nice here.
Yeah, and there's a bit of a breeze. And there are just tons of people out walking in Porto, and there has been the whole way. Which is pretty good. So people obviously do get out on their feet in this city, because a lot of them are locals. And what day is it today? Monday. It's not the weekend anymore. And I can believe today is the day after yesterday.
Definitely.
Because yesterday was gorgeous weather as well. But apparently that's it. So I probably won't be filming anymore. Or maybe the odd
after
5 minutes in that fish market and places.
And the Sandbar, or whether it's the train station,
Oh yeah,
which is supposed to be
amazing.
beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll do.
Unless we can get the train to the Sandbar
We'll
train station.
do some little bits.
And that lovely little shop, I want to go in there, even if I
Yeah.
buy a tin of sardines.
Okay, from
to
the
eat.
fella.
Yeah, I want to go.
Yeah, we've walked past it, so we know where it is. Right, so I'm thinking this is the end of the last beach. So this area should be up there to the right somewhere. Hopefully we get to an area with lots of little restaurants and things in. If the camera doesn't switch itself off, I think I'm going to switch it off at the end of this boardwalk. And then it is definitely beer o'clock. But what I will do with this video is I'll break it up into normal 15-minute segments and then have a playlist of the whole walk, so if anybody is crazy enough to want to sit in a settee and watch 3 hours of us trudging along, they can just hit the playlist and watch the lot.
We might have to go
Inland, yeah, maybe. Do you want to turn in here? Yeah, it's either here or just there. Yeah, okay, we'll go to the end. I can look at the map again at the end. I do apologise for all the talk about seafood restaurants. But we had been walking for hours and felt we deserved a nice lunch. And I'm happy to report that soon after shutting off the camera, we found a lovely restaurant and had a lovely lunch. And a bottle of vino verde. Just one bottle today. We'd learnt our lesson from drinking 2 the day before. After which it became quite obviously apparent that we weren't in complete control of our senses. Anyway, I'd advise you all to take no notice of us and to drink responsibly. If you haven't been to Porto before, I would highly recommend it. The city felt really safe. There seemed to be nice restaurants everywhere. The people were really nice. The public transport was really good. And it's a great city for just walking around. Oh, what a dog. Oh, he doesn't like the pigeon. Oops.
finish at the statue. Here we go.
You don't really say the dog didn't like the pigeons. The pigeons were, of course, seagulls.
I'm just going to this statue.
And we finished today's video and indeed this walk at the sculpture Tragedy at Sea by Jose João Brito in memory of the shipwreck of 1947 on the beach Praia de Matosinhos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.